Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajela Oba Presiden Tensong. Habakren bat kinong thok kubor. Ula pentep baka kenhun menteri hakajaya kenduk jongki. Hakini ki kendiat tayo baladam. Kila menjur bandon nok dakawe ke skol ba. Kata ke Meghalaya State Veterinary Dairy and Fishery Science University hakajela. Ulaya thoru baka sorkar kala shem yakarai. Banbu yakane ke university hakardam kulai. Haka baka jingmang yakajaka kalong kumba prani kendai eka. Ula ongru bahagi wei pat kitna jingpuli ke sorkar kan sapet pat hadian.
Meghalaya State Veterinary, Dairy and Fishery Science University. That was the decision taken that time, and the cabinet agreed in principle establishing of our own Meghalaya State Veterinary, Dairy and Fisheries Science University in the state, and instruction has been given to the department concerned to bring back the draft bill of the proposal is to set up at Kerdemkulai. They have got not less than around 800 acres of land over there. So I think the establishing of this university will be in that area.
Government has also proposed to have a national school law.
No, that one we are yet no. Few more. See, in fact, that time the cabinet member was there. We discussed certain few correction clarification. So we sent back to the concerned department. So that therefore I did not tell anything, because once the final draft is done, then once it comes back to the cabinet, then we will decide that way.